Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can watch somebody's story without you coming up as a person who's seen that story on their account. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, if I go into story, everything is pretty much the same as it is for all stories on Instagram. I'm sorry for that, but yeah, I could just watch any stories, and now my account would come up as an account that's seen those stories. Now, the reason that happens is because, of course, you're online. Instagram tracks those sort of things, and that's pretty much it. However, there is a way to subvert this. Whenever you log into Instagram, it is not well, the current state of Instagram is logged, and if you let it load, the only thing that would happen if you turned off your internet is that it wouldn't update that status. So, for example, if I, brought my menu down and entered airplane mode, it would take me off of any network available. However, I would still be able to access this page on Instagram as it is without being able to refresh it. Now, when you view stories like that, then your account will not be logged as seeing that story, and that's pretty much it. You just need to load up Instagram, see the stories you want to see, then just or locate the bubbles, not actually go into them if you don't want to be noted as seen. Just enter airplane mode and then check out the stories, and you're good to go. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.